bouncing, but still working. American Standard, genuine type. The blower, and the shower with glass. Interesting. It's quite dark, but here is infiltration, but it looks quite nice. What do you think? I think this is a sort of marble, at least looks like. Here you have the window to the you can close to the dormitory for the towel. Yes, this is how it looks like. A small cabinet, but it's not open. Toilet seat, soft close broken. Let's try the flush. Three points from 10. Paper bin, toilet, very tiny. Okay. What's your opinion? You like this type of wall? As I said again, quite dark, but in acceptable condition. This is what you get for 15 euros in Thailand. Not bad.